Hey guys, Nathan here with Team GenerEOS. There's been some exciting news in the EOS world today. Dawn 4.2 has just come out and it's starting to roll out the name bidding feature. Now this is a special feature for account names that's going to come out 2 weeks after the mainnet officially launches. Now the mainnet official launch only occurs when 15% of the EOS holders vote for block producers and the mainnet's officially underway. Now how this name bidding is going to work, and I think this is going to be a really large system, is choosing account names. This is basically buying .com, .net, .io, and how it's going to work is throughout the lifetime of EOS, everyone can bid on specific names. Once a day, whichever name has the most bids, the highest bid, is going to get released to someone. So if you purchased COM, C-O-M, you can now register names for people. You can register google.com, you can register eos.com, and the person who holds COM will be able to give those accounts away, whether they do it for a kickback or whether they do it out of the goodness of their heart. It will remain to be seen. This is a really exciting development for EOS. It's subject to change, as everything, but keep an eye out for that space. Remember guys, vote Team GenerEOS.